pretty sure the tips should be more red than yellow right now. So to me, that indicates a possible problem. So why not treat it now and see what happens?
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel like...
So as you can see from that video, the tree looked pretty sad, and I should not have been finding dead leaves in the middle of the spring, so I knew something was up. So a little bit later in this video, I'm going to show you what my tree looked like compared to what my neighbor's tree looked like at the same time. I mean, I'm truly amazed. 10 days later, and the tips are nice and red. I haven't found any new leaves in the lawn. I mean, come on. That combination of Bloomplex, Cytogrow, Hydratane, it just woke these trees up. Now they look just as good, if not better, than the neighbor's trees. I love it. I absolutely love it.